بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين وبعد. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tajweed 101 course, simple step-by-step Tajweed course that enables you inshallah to read the Quran properly. My name is Maghfira and I am an online Quran teacher and you are watching Maghfira Education, the place to know how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we're going to continue what we have already started, and today we are going to apply on letter Ain and Ha and know their mistakes. So today inshallah we're going to apply on how to read letter Ain and Ha on recitation. And as I just told you that when we finish the throat letters inshallah we will stop applying on basmalah and isti'adha and surat alfatiha, and inshallah we will start from the 30 juz surah by surah according to the letter that we are going to study. So letter Ain and Ha, we are going to apply them today on isti'adha and basmalah and on surat al-fatiha. So as you see here, the first letter is A. Hamza is from deepest part of the throat. So A. Then Ain, Dhamma'u, A'u, and Mad from Jawf. So A'udhu, A'udhu, A'udhu. And then Billah, Mad from Jawf. Then Ha from deepest part of the throat. Billahi, and Minash Shaytan, Mad from Jawf, Near Rajim. And this is only Ain and Ha, and Ain that present here is only Ain. And on Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, let's try to see. Bismi, nothing here. Bismillahi, Mad from Jawf, and Ha from deepest part of the throat. And then Ar-Rahman, Ha here. So it will be Bismillahir Rahmani. Then I go from the noon to the next ha, to the next ra. Nir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's move now to Surah Al-Fatiha. And Surah Al-Fatiha really contains lots of Ha and lots of Ain. Let's see. The first ayah is Alhamdu, Ha, Alhamdu, Alhamdu. And then Lillahi, He from deepest part of the throat and Mad from Jawf. Rabbil Rabbil Alameen. And then Ha sukun. Ar-Rahmani, Mim Mad from Jawf. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Him. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin, nothing here, whether Ain or Ha. And then Iyaka, Mad from Jawf. Na'budu. It is not Na'budu. It's not like that. It is Na'budu. Allow some of the sound to pass and other sound kept inside the throat using the epiglottis. So Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Wa iyyaka nasta'in. And then Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, nothing here. Okay, and then صراط الذين أنعمت. Hamza from deepest part of the throat. Hamza is from deepest part of the throat. Then Ain from the middle part of the throat. أنعمت عليهم أنعمت عليهم هم غير المغضوب عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Here only we have two mad, ضو mad from جوف and لين ya mad from جوف. Okay, let's stop here today, and inshallah the next lesson we will continue on the mistakes that may happen on letter Ain, and the other lesson inshallah will be on the mistakes of a ha. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Catch you on the next lesson inshallah. See you inshallah on the new lesson. Jazakumullahu khairan. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask me on the comment down below. Jazakumullahu khairan. Don't forget to apply on our group, on WhatsApp group. All the links will be on the description box. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. See you on the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.